hello.
Sorry, I mistakenly clicked the button. Yeah,
Yeah, let's do the intro first.
let's do intro first. Yes, without that beat, we cannot get started. Hello, hello.
Whoa, hello. Yes, the intro did add that vibe into it. Yeah.
Yes, I love that beat. I always notice that you also like nod your head like this.
Headbang, yes.
Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. So, how are things,
How are
Zach?
you, Zach? Doing
Doing great, doing
awesome.
great.
How about you?
Yes, doing great. Waiting for the summer. So here in New Zealand, the summer is starting in December. So it's always
Mhm.
yeah. Others getting winter, but we are getting summer. So it's super excited about the summer.
Mm. Bangalore is a little warm nowadays. So yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, we are about to enter into winters, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So you're getting ready for the reinvent.
Yes. Gearing up
Nice.
and yeah,
Gearing
meeting
up.
a lot of folks.
Nice, nice. That's amazing. All this. The only main thing I love about these events, yes, you can learn a lot, but uh, the main thing I get it like the networking. You meet
Hmm.
so many people
Yeah.
um, uh, from those events, like so many thousands of people sometimes, but at least you get to share your LinkedIn profiles, and after that also you have a chat later on, especially Johannes.
Mhm.
I met him in person in the reunion last year, so it's still we are good buddies, and yeah, so we can meet a lot of people there.
Yep. A lot of folks to meet, and yeah,
Yep.
my list of meeting people is a long one. Hope I'll meet everyone. So yes.
Yeah, you can enjoy the replay after the event. So yeah, you hope to meet everyone there and had a good time.
Awesome. Yeah, so
Awesome.
we are back with another
Yep.
episode about
Yep.
Application Composer. And we did one about Application Composer about a few months back,
Yep.
where we focused on serverless apps. But recently, Application Composer announced that you could do a lot of things with different resources using uh, CloudFormation stack that is supported on CloudFormation stack. So that's what we'll be diving deep into today, where
Yep.
we'll build a EC2 instance. Is that right, Zach?
Yep. Yep. So
Yeah.
we'll keep it pretty simple. Let's give it a try. Let's.
Mhm.
I want to have a simple VPC, and definitely we need subnets there, right? And we'll create EC2 instance on top of that. Just just a simple one. So let's see how we are going to do it. So we need a couple of things like internet gateway and other requirements. So while we are doing it, let's play around with it. So I'm going to be a noob today. So assuming I don't know about anything, yeah, I don't know anything like Zach. Uh, um, just playing around with the canvas and all the other related stuff there. So we can get started. I think Zach
Let's
already
get
mentioned
started.
about our first session, so anyone wants can check the. We have done a very in detail, very another fun session. Um, Created a serverless app with API gateway. Yeah, yeah, it's very it's a simple one, but we deployed it and we play around with it, and it was nice. So today, let's see how we're going to do this same thing with EC2 instance.
While you were speaking, I just added the link to the
Yep.
first session of our Application Composer in the chat.
Yep. Let me put my screen here. So hope the demo god is with me today, because always, when you're doing a demo, things can go wrong. So hopefully, yeah.
May the demagogues be with you, Zach.
Yes. Okay. So you might notice the new thing here, 1,146 resources. So it,
Whoa.
it it is a big number. So everything, each and every resource, which comes under the CloudFormation stack. So you can see. The format in CloudFormation, right? You always see that AWS, the name, and the submodel inside whatever the service we are using. So let's see what we need today first. VPC. Oh,
No, a fun
so
fact. It's been, I guess, over a year that I
yeah.
deployed an EC2 instance. So yeah.
Yeah, right. I mean, oh, it's so sarcastic from a serverless guy, right? I mean, I'm very honest with you also, because um to be honest with you, I think I don't know when I spin up a EC2 instance, like even through the console. Maybe yes, through IAC we always does that for some applications, but I don't remember when I spin up a EC2 instance using the console. I don't know how it looks like even now. I mean, there are so many changes happen. I know every day things are changing. Oh, cool. Good point, Zach. Oh, let's see. I'm going to drag and drop my VPC. Nice. Ooh, what we have here. Cool. So we got our VPC here, and let's see. So still we have to configure the resources. So which means you should have a good knowledge of what you're doing, all the related. I mean, you should know what are the components comes under the VPC.
Mhm.
Um, so let's go and click this references. I love references. Ooh,
I like how it's placed
yeah,
right below the configuration
yeah, right.
input,
And
right?
it's
So
very easy. You
yes.
can just click, and it will go to the basically it will nothing else. It's just going to the CloudFormation documentations.
Mhm.
So um, let's go down and let's take this block here. We'll use YAML. I think it's supporting YAML, right? Because try to put the JSON value as well, but it's no. Sorry.
Let's try with
This.
the JSON value first. We'll see what
Oh yeah.
happens. Yeah.
Oh yes, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know the logical name will detect, but
Interesting though, it gave a JSON uh, braces
yeah,
when the editor was initially there. It was
yeah. It's a
okay.
yeah. Sorry, what we're saying? I was thinking the
No, so I was just telling that
yeah,
the configuration input had
yep,
empty JSON braces, which kind of
yep.
gave me an impression. Hey, this is a JSON thing that I'd have to write.
Okay, so according to this here, I love that the mouse over like it's inbuilt. It shows that okay, property my VPC not allowed.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, but why it's showing YAML schema here? And you can click here. Oh,
Yeah,
can I
these
hot
error
fix?
infos are really well
Yeah,
thought
it's
of. And
yes. I love that. So basically, this is if you know CloudFormation, it's basically your logical name. When
Mhm.
you run your CloudFormation stack, you should have a logical name, and that's here my VPC. So I'm going to put my VPC here, and
and
I'll
we'll
remove this
remove it
part.
from. Yes.
Right, let me try to save. Oh, it's saved.
Save
No
and
template. Oh,
and
it's
there's the
nice.
YAML template. And
Yeah.
here is the YAML template. Nice.
It's a YAML template. So I think it's more fun if you go here and open a VPC. What do you think? Let's
Yes.
try to just create a VPC and see.
Yep. A lot has changed in the console.
A lot of changes. This one I saw somewhere, I remember, but it's a lot of change. I think everything's now going with the visual view.
I mean, it creates a good mind map, right? When you have
Yeah.
a visual view. So,
That's really good. So if you create the VPC, it's going to create a vanilla VPC, right? Nothing else.
yes.
But here, once you create it, you can go to the VPC here and right click. You can set those things, right? In edit VPC settings, you can enable, disable DNS resolution, enable DNS host names. So the same thing here, it's getting those information. It's true. Okay, not bad. Let's go here. Let's see. Okay, so this get attributes, properties. Okay, those are the so even though it's not a required value, like it's we can just leave it, but it's okay.
You can mention it in the configuration.
Yeah, it's fine. It's cool. And save. Okay, before I go ahead, I'll show that. Okay, so cloud application composer, right? So what we can do, we can either export it as a template file, or we can just locally sync a local folder. So currently all the changes are in a local folder. It's getting synced, and that's really cool. So later I can deploy and check the entire thing.
And
so
fun fact there, it's just that available on Google Chrome browser because it's based on an API, runtime API that Google Chrome exposes. The other browsers don't do it. And in case if you're trying to use Application Composer on any of the other browsers and you see, hey, you cannot activate it, just log into Google Chrome and you should be good with it.
Yeah, it happened to me also. I mean, I think we mentioned this earlier as well, but sadly I was testing in my Mozilla. Oh, why it's not working? Then then Zach told, okay, it's only working on Chrome. Yeah, it's always good to keep in mind. So we have, okay, here I have already configured my cider. And again, here we can get extra cider blocks. Oh, that's nice. That's interesting, right? And stand comp. Okay, so that's so if you drag and drop this one, say standard components can only by deleting, removing the template code. So I had to go here.
I've been playing around with Application Composer for the serverless ones, and just go delete. That would work, but for the standard IAC resources, that's not the case.
Not the case, yes. So after the VPC, I need a subnet, right? Yep. So, okay. Cool. So let's see the reference here. So logical ID, I'm going to put, let's go to the references.
It's always good to have a look at the documentation first.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. So VPC ID, we can reference with my logical name, which I mentioned already. So let's go with that. Let's see what will happen. But it's asking only this VPC ID, but we don't know the VPC ID, so we have to reference from my VPC. But I'm not sure whether
direct resource referencing. Yeah.
Oh, wow!
Wow!
Did you see that?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow! My
nice.
Can I?
but it doesn't prompt all the other resources, right?
Yes. If it's possible, that would be amazing, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, yeah, there is. I think there is still support for referencing.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, you can probably give it as my.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
it
Here
shows. It does.
it shows. It shows. What will
Hmm,
happen? Wow. Look at
nice.
this.
It as soon as you referenced, it added that logical connector as well. That's
Yes. Now let's
really
go to the
good.
code. So it's getting the reference from here. Okay, I saw something else. If I keep VPC ID. Oh,
Wow.
so I was thinking, what if I add the entire thing here? Okay, let's give it a try. I'm just playing around, right? Like this. And I could give this
Your
here like
spider block and
cider block was 16, right? I think I gave a 16 one here. So I'm going to do a 24. I'm going to do
you're
like
in a different
one.
AZ though.
Oh yeah.
US East.
Okay, US East one. So I'm going to give AP Southeast. To A.
Yep.
Dev. I'm gonna save it. Any errors? Okay, I think there's error. Isn't it?
What is that?
Oh, definitely
Definition
can.
cannot be passed.
Oh, it's a YAML, right? So, okay.
Oh.
So you have to be like this. Good point.
So you can't directly add YAML. Instead, it has to be a JSON, but internally, it's changing it into a YAML.
Yeah, it's weird, right?
But yeah,
It's
it
no.
should ideally allow both, right?
Yeah. VPC ID reference my VPC here, and my site is going to be output as 1.24, and I'm in Sydney. It's Sydney, right? Yes. Please do it. Stack value. I'm going to put dev. You have unsaved changes. Save or cancel to continue.
There's something in the first line. Nested. There is some error with the subnet resource. Type yeah.
Nested maps are not allowed in mapping.
It doesn't allow nested maps as in the reference and those stuff.
Oh, I think okay, I know why. Because you have to, yeah, you cannot have the nested values. I think it's fine now. Should be yes. It makes sense because it's already a subnet, and I don't have to mention the
The source is already defined, so you just have to
already
focus
defined,
on the
right? So
properties.
yeah. So my VPC is stack dev. This one is dev. Oh, this is
Hey,
image.
can you go to the VPC one?
Yep.
Yeah, it allows VPC here though. Type VPC.
Oh yes. It's weird. Okay, now we have the subnet, but I think subnet side also you can add separately here, because if you have multiple subnet siders, right? I think
yes.
for now these two fine. I'm happy with it. Let's get our internet gateway, because we had the subnet and we have to set up the route tables as well. So before we go ahead, it's a standalone, right? We can create the internet gateway. Perfect. I'm going to drag and drop. Oh, I love the documentation, how it's going, man. This is amazing. Cool. So internet gateway, anyways, it's we have to map the internet gateway to a VPC once it's created.
Right.
But okay, let's see how we're going to reference it. Cool.
But
So
you need only the properties part of it, right?
Yeah.
For,
Yeah. So my internet gate, I don't need this one. This one. That's it.
Yep. And the closing JSON.
Oh, yeah.
You can just set it up. Wait,
Oh.
properties is not allowed?
Updating this value resource property. Replace all placeholders values before we do. Okay. I'm going to do this. Let's save. Okay. Oh.
Cool.
So once you group it, right? Standard IAC resource detect beta. Oh. So still it's done a beta?
Really? Okay. I'm just trying to pull up the announcement if it is.
Yeah.
Beta.
Cool. Nice. So the next one, okay, it's test properties. Nice. So let's see how we can reference this one to the VPC here. Let's do all the rest of the things and let's see the in the end. Next one. The good question is, next one, we need the root table, right?
Yes. EC2 route table?
There are route tables here. Oh, we need, okay, route tables. We need the route table association also, because we have to associate the route table. Okay. Again.
I think this is just a direct reference to VPC.
Yes. Yes. Again, it's just basically, I think that would be the property tag. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Root table ID. So I think I have to just reference here.
Yeah.
So what I do, control a space. So it as usual in our other IDs, so it just detects everything. So my root table here, subnet ID, reference, my subnet.
That's really good.
That's amazing.
It grouped everything.
It's grouped everything.
Yeah.
So once grouped, you can edit one by one.
Whoa.
I think this is amazing, right? I think it's a properties attack. If I put a reference here, my VPC. Oh, okay, this is wrong. So key should be there, right? I think I don't need even the properties here. If sorry. Okay. So VPC ID.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Now I have the VPC and I have the route table subnet. What else I need? Oh, what happened? Okay, it's there. So I can keep save. It's syncing anyways, hopefully. So in a VPC, you shall need a subnet. I have the subnet and route tables done. And I did the association with the route tables, but I haven't done the routings, right? So I have to do the routings.
Yep.
So route. So route table. Okay, now we can get the routes here. Oh, this is nice. I think can easily. So
save. Okay.
So yeah, if save. Okay, it's
It's grouped it. Yep.
That's nice. Yeah, I can replace my route here.
Yep.
Wow. Oh, this one also.
I really like this grouping and how you can individually edit them. That's really nice.
Yeah, within few minutes ago, I just again trying to dive on it, and you see, we just got it. How easy is, right? It's amazing. So I'm going to my route. Nice. So I'm going to I already click open it. I'm going to see the routes here. So very easy. Okay, I think it's easy. I just have to. So we can put a depends. Because it won't add if it doesn't have the internet gateway. So what I can do here, I'll put the entire thing. Copy from here.
Let's check if depends on is accepted on Application Composer.
Yes, I think it's okay. Maybe. Anyways, it will throw error, right? Because if it unable to find it.
Yes.
So referent is my route table. So that's my route table name, and reference is my internet gateway. So I'm going to save and add my here. See?
Wow.
That's amazing. This is amazing, I must say. So the main core is the VPC. Top of that, it's creating everything, right? So I create the route table, and I have to create another route, and my route is here. So what I'm going to do, I have to create a local route, right? Because, anyways, wait, do I have to create a local route? No, right? Because I will be creating the EC2 instance in the subnet, because our demo is just, we'll try to create the VPC. And if you have time, we can log in it. So I think for now, this one route table is enough. Otherwise, I think so far it's good. Yeah, I think one is enough for now. Yeah, it's all good.
If we need more, we can come back and edit it.
And edit. Yes. So we need a security group. Security
group. Yeah, I see that.
Okay, security groups we have. I'll put as
ingress and outgress is also available as a separate resource.
Oh, yes. Wow. Okay, I think here it's create a security group. The rules are separately. Yeah, we can do it, right? So yes. I'll go to reference again. I'll close these old tabs. No need. Oh.
Nice. I didn't know this
Hmm.
was
Wow.
separate.
Yeah, it's separated. Nice. I think for now we'll just go with this one.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going to get this properties here.
Wait, so this has ingress and egress.
Yes, right, right. Yes. This is ingress, this is egress. Yeah, both have. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the time being, we
Let's
can
see if
just
it
be safe.
adds those resources
Yeah.
here, or let's see what happens.
Let's see. My VPC. Well, nice. Perfect.
Okay.
And do we need the network ACL? Yep, it's fine.
Probably.
Let's yeah, probably let's add that one as well. My network ACL. So by default, it will add all the default values because should be, we don't have to change anything. So what I'm going to do, I love this referencing part here. Referencing my VPC. Nice. Ooh, all good. Now the waiting moment. EC2.
EC2, an old friend.
So EC2 instance. Let's say this one going to be a bit longer because it needs a couple of informations, right? Oh, a load instances. We don't need that much. We'll keep it very simple. So yeah, and we need to create a key. Yeah, so we'll create this one first.
It's also adding the EBS volume, if I'm not wrong.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm going to use this one as my EC2 instance. Currently, I'll keep this key as it is. I'm going to change anything. Image ID, I'm going to create as it is. So what I can do, I'll quickly go to my console here. I'll go to EC2. And I'll go to MIs.
I guess that should be Linux, Amazon Linux.
This should be.
Yeah.
Let's see what region should be. Should be a dummy one, right? No. It's fine. I'll go to Amazon Linux. Okay. There's so many public. Okay, easy way. I'm gonna create instance here. It's very rare, right? We use the console here, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I get that made from here. It's easy. So I'm going to replace this AMI from here. Okay. So if all good, save. Oh, nice. This comes under here. But we don't have any information, right? So I was thinking.
Wait, can you also add user data from here?
Sorry, yeah, from here, right?
Yeah.
Should be. I'm trying to check that.
There'll be a whole bunch of things probably searching.
Oh, yeah. User data.
Supports.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, sorry. I think I took the wrong one. I just took the default one. So device mapping. I'll get with the public IP. Okay, I'll go with this one.
Okay.
I'll get the it's nice. So usually when we take the region and what are the AMIs, and we can find that AMIs in whatever map it gives, right? So we can do
Yep.
that one as well here. I mean, same what we do in CloudFormation, we can do it as well. So the network interface, this is the one block I was looking for. What I'm going to do here, reference, this should give my reference.
Okay.
My
You're adding the YAML definition in JSON.
Yes,
Try to say.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see whether it's intelligent to pick this up and do it. Let's see.
Let's test it out.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
It's saved. Wow.
Oh, subject ID says object. If you scroll down, subnet ID, it's
Oh, yeah, it's
object.
Object. So it's there's a thing there.
Yeah,
So
JSON parse is not working.
Yeah. So I will reference from here. Reference. Oh, nice. This is what I was waiting for. Beautiful. I think if I click arrange, it should. Oh, it's arranging like this. Fine. Anyways, it's perfect. So I need to get the key now. I think as a feedback, the search should be more friendly. I mean, like should be more intelligent if it's possible. So I'll get a key pair, key name. So let's assume we have the key already, and yeah. So this is some kind of a public example key, right? It's fine.
Yep.
Let's get this one because we are just testing.
No, did you add a key pair as well in the EC2?
Pair? Yeah, it's a dummy one, so it will fail because it won't be able to find that key because it's key here. So what I'm gonna do, create a new KPI specific launch instance. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new KPI, specify it when launching an instance. So I'm going to create a new pair, or else I can give my own value here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to get all these values and sorry, I'm gonna get from here. This property. Sorry. They should be okay, hopefully.
Yep.
I'm gonna create the key, my key. It's fine. Just keep it as it is. Oh wow.
Okay, it added key pairs.
Nice.
You would have to reference this and
with here, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do reference again. My key pair and save it. Here you go.
Whoa. Can you just toggle on to the template part of it?
Ooh.
Nice.
This is nice. So it's generating YAML. So locally, I will open my folder here.
So it's syncing to your local as well, right?
Yeah. So basically, it's generating a YAML file. So the same YAML, and what we can do, we can go to the CloudFormation stack. We can use the CLI as well, but I think we're already 40 minutes away. And you want to try this? I'll just download this file. Already it's locally synced. So what we can do, let's go to CloudFormation.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you mean go through the Cloud Shell? So I was thinking just with the time.
Okay, we'll do it with the Cloud Foundation.
Yeah.
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 We
So
have the YAML
Yeah.
anyways, so you can just
Yeah.
paste it here.
So template is ready. Upload the template here. I'm going to this is my file which is created now. Nice. Let's see. Is there any?
Okay. Done.
Oh,
What's EC2
unresolved
security?
resource depend my PC security. Okay. Let's go back here. Oh, okay. So here,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Yep. So the security group ID here is my security group, not my VP security group. So in here,
Okay.
yeah. But how it's referenced?
Yeah, it shouldn't. It should ideally throw an error here, right? Because it's also
Yeah.
validating.
I was thinking how it's referenced. Never mind. I'm going to upload the file. Choose the file. It's uploaded again. Next. I think this one is fine. It's
You can
all
give it a
error.
stack name.
My stack.
Like the good old days, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Nothing. Rollback stack. I'm just keep as it is. I'm not going to change anything. So I'm going to submit.
Yeah, submit.
Let's see.
Creation and progress. Okay.
Oh,
Something failed. Key pair failed.
validation. Oh, okay. Why? I generated key name. I have to, because I don't have to refer the key name, right? It should be the logical ID here. Oh, it's a key name.
Oh,
Okay.
it's not key pair,
So
its name. Okay.
yeah, so it's easy way. You save. I'm going to go back, delete stack, delete it, please. Create a new stack. My stack too. Remember those days? When you design something, template or anything, and my template version 1, 2, 3.
Yes. I guess even before I started using SAM extensively, I used to use a lot of cloud formation for deploying. And okay, something failed again.
External script properties. Property validation failed for resource my VPC with message. Okay.
Okay, we can probably remove key pair for the now because
yeah.
our demo gods are not happy with the key pair.
Happy with key pair now. Yeah.
So let's lock the demo gods out of the EC2 instance.
Yeah. Or else what I can do, I go here. I'll quickly go to the EC2s here. So I'm going to generate a key. My key. So what I'm going to do,
Okay, I think you're frozen, Zach. You froze for a moment.
did I lost you, John?
Yes.
Oh,
lost the connection for a while, for a second or two.
I'm going to just give my key pair name, my key. That's it, right? Yes. For now, it's fine. All good. It's okay. Delete the stack here.
Okay. You removed the key pair as well? Key pair resource?
Oh, yeah. I removed from the bottom, so it doesn't have the key pair now. It's good, right? You can see here
Yes.
everything.
That's where I identified key pair was missing. Yeah.
My stack 3. I think fireworks starts. I can hear the fireworks now.
Well, let's just say somebody's celebrating because we just deployed an EC.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Did I speak too early?
So validation failed. Kale, my VPC not permitted. Oh, property is not permitted. Key type is not permitted. What is that? What is that? Okay.
Which resources is it throwing error in?
Oh, I think it's
Wait.
properties on. Oh, what is this? It's kind of.
Whoa, okay.
What about
Okay,
the
this was
template?
the first time that when we were playing around and we added type. Can you go to the VPC properties?
Oh, yes. Sorry. Here, where's my VPC? Where's my VPC?
Yes,
Okay, here. Sorry. Yeah,
yeah.
here. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay,
I guess you have to. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This one
You
no
don't
need.
need the
So there's
properties and
it.
type.
Yes. I can just leave as it is. It's fine, I think.
Yeah, weird, right? Because
It's weird.
for the other resources, it identified we were giving a type and it threw an error. But for VPC, it didn't.
It didn't. So I think for the subnet also it will fail. If I go to my subnet, I don't have the property. I don't need to put the properties tag here. I can just save here.
I guess it's better to validate it from the template part of it.
You mean here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I just want to try the. Okay, that's fine.
Yes. I mean, that's easier, I felt.
Yeah. Ooh. So properties.
Properties.
So I don't need these properties here. I have to. Okay. So let's get one back here to make it clean. Okay. Oh, man.
Look at the indentation and to be like, hey, there's something wrong again.
Yeah. I think as I start, it's okay. But let's talk about the honest feedback about this session.
Yeah. Again, properties.
We can keep that one fine. Oh, it's ready here. Oh, okay. I think I know where it should be. Yeah.
Okay.
So wait, it's how come?
No, that's your.
What's the subnet association doing here?
That's a different resource, right? You would have to. It's anyway referenced as well.
So it should be like this.
Yeah, and then properties and table ID and subnet. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this one should come under properties. So that's why. No worries.
Properties. Yeah. I guess this is where we say that, hey, somebody should have a good knowledge about what they're doing, right? Because you can just design it, but debugging is where it takes time.
Yeah.
Properties. Okay.
I think it should be fine now. Expected what? Okay, never mind. Oh wow.
Wait, what?
What?
No, go on.
Why?
This.
Okay, I'll undo one. Okay, I undo one change.
Hmm.
Oh, what's the change? Okay, I'll put it here and go back. Oh, good. And
I think undo just did the undo of the whole file itself.
oh, it's undooed everything, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. That's not good. So we don't need these properties here, the root, right? Because oh, it's 2 times.
No, did application composer
Why?
generate it again? Or was
Exactly.
it
I was thinking
the
because
undo?
okay, still there. That's why I wanted to go back and come back. That we'll see. Oh, no, it's all good now.
Okay. Okay, see properties for
So
internet
this
gateway
one
security
also,
group.
this one also can be here like this. Again, properties. So go back. Okay, all good. Properties here is good. It's good.
Security group, internet gateway, good. Done. I think
Oh,
it's good. Yeah.
seems good. Okay, this one is delete.
Let's do stack 4.
Stack 4. I mean, it's nice to have errors like that's more
Yep.
fun. Yeah. Stack 4. It should be my stack 4.
Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens.
Okay, it says initiated created.
I don't see error until now, so I think so far
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
It's taking some time to create the instance
Okay.
and everything. Okay,
It's
fine.
created.
So,
It's my one, right? I'll check
Yep.
see my stack tags. Yeah, they yep. Okay.
I think the other resources are still.
Other resource.
Ah.
Oh, it's very creating progress.
What
So
is
VP is only
it?
created.
Internet
Okay.
gateway.
So creation cancel. Intent gateway. Not permitted. Okay. So I think as a conclusion, this one is really good to it's still how come it's still beta? I think something cached here. Because I remember this can't be. Maybe
This not
some
in
of the
beta.
yeah. Anyways, I think viewing the existing stack will be good and do readings, but need more improvements on that data, right? So we are almost 54 minutes, but fine. We don't like to give up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the internet gateway and
Do you
see.
have a template of
Reference from my VPC.
EC2 instance already in hand with you? EC2 and all the just the basic template in hand.
I don't have in cloud formation.
Okay. Terraform, is it?
Okay, I think we'll find we'll find one cloud formation template. So EC2. Okay, it comes with it's in the AWS CloudFormation stack. Sorry, CloudFormation templates. Um, Solutions. let's find one.
There should be some ready to
Yeah, but I
deploy.
found one from the labs. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, this one,
We can
security group.
just go into a new project on new canvas
Yep.
on
Yep.
Application Composer, add the template. Let's see how it designs or generates the graphical UI, graphical
Yeah.
representation.
I'm going to find a sample. This is with the EC2 instance security group. Okay. But this one doesn't have VPC. So let's see how the. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change the template here for test. Oh,
Okay.
so it generates. So it's
Instance
EC2
and
instance. Yes. So if I go to the.
oh, there is a
Okay.
lot of
So certain things still
definition.
errors. Yeah.
Definition cannot be passed as YAML. Is that the error?
Yes. So I just took this from AWS CloudFormation templates from AWS
Oh.
Labs repo. Yep. Anyways, it was fun.
Sure. So yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I mean,
after a
it is
very,
fun.
very
So
long time, EC2
yeah,
instance said, yes,
yeah,
VPC is still giving us headaches.
yeah, yeah. So I mean, as usual, sometimes demos never works, but here, it's we could have if you have more time, we could have done it. Like it's going to be a very simple things to change. Find this thing and fix it. But I think we can talk about the conclusion. Like Zach, what do you think about it? To be honest, I mean, your honest opinion on this.
I really loved how you could just
Hmm.
design stuff and get the template generated. Although the template generated in our case was different, that's another part of it because uh, having some validations on the template while we are saving would be a really good thing. Where
Yeah.
yeah, before we go into deploying the stack or deploying the complete template itself, if we could validate the template if it's correct or not, that would be a really good add-on. So yeah,
I
what about
would
you? What
like
do
to
you
add the
think?
same. Yeah, I mean, I would like to add the things like yes. So we know how these things like okay, the thing it triggered to us. Okay, BP said, "Yo, we can use the reference tag because we both used CloudFormation. I mean, in a real life, right? We know we had a reference, we had to put and all these CloudFormation stuff. But if someone's coming if someone is new to this, so it will be a bit confusing, but still it's good. Like you can go to the resource references. It's such an awesome
Yeah, I
document.
mean,
You can see each and every properties. It's nice, but still the validation, some bugs are there, like especially in the validations. So um, um, that would be nice. And I really wish, for example, if you um, okay, so you cannot create a subnet without VPC, right? So,
mhm,
for example, if I get the my subnet here, if I have a kind of a drop down here to select my VPC, just reference it from there, like simply drag and drop, easy.
mhm.
And yeah, that's one of the things could be also make it easy. But I'm not complaining this one. This one is really easy. I mean, amazing. And the validation should be there while we are doing it, rather after we save it and running back, throwing in everything. And
Yep.
the grouping would be more nicer, like if you have, for example, the dependencies like grouped here. So this
Mhm.
seems like is listing all the AWS CloudFormation
All
stack
the
resources,
resources.
all the
Yes.
resources. Just it's like a get all query, like showing everything. Rather than that, if you can group this one here,
Yes.
that would be really amazing as well. Rather search and go in that one. So yeah, I mean, AWS is always really good with getting feedback and improving stuff. So we can give some feedback, and definitely I'm going to give some feedback and see what are the best thing we can do here. And definitely this, I have a good feeling about this tool. It's going to change a lot of things in the future.
Yep.
Yep. But I really enjoyed today's session because it's doing on live, and certain things I have no idea what I'm doing, like where to click. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's how it should be. But I think we proved that it's very easy to adapt this one, and anyone can just play around. Yep.
Somebody who's really played around on the AWS different resources, right, can just get themselves started on with it, and
Yep.
that's really cool because probably the first or the time somebody takes to adapt or try new things with this, that's really good. But of
Yep.
course, a lot of other things uh, after just getting some hello world things done is where
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
at.
Anyway, so I love it. Maybe what we can do, maybe we can have another session. Let's create a CloudFormation stack um, from the scratch and try to import it and see, play around with maybe in a session. Yeah,
Yep.
cool. And
Let's do
yeah,
the
definitely.
reverse way. If it
Yes,
doesn't
yes.
work in the regular flow, just reverse engineer things. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, anyways, just wanted to show around how cool it is, and yeah. But in the UI, I really love the UI, like it, how it's arranging and how it's showing everything which connected together. That's really amazing.
Yeah. The graphical
Let's see.
representation is
Cool.
just spot on.
It's amazing, man. Cool beans. So that's all. I think we already passed 1 hour. So that's the thing. When we do such demos like this, it's very hard to keep it within 30 minutes, 40 minutes, because you forget when you're having a lot of fun trying a new tool. And yep.
You never know how time flies when you're in a live demo. So yeah.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. Okay, then. See you soon with another nice tool, or anything like this. Something really cool with AWS, right? Yeah.
So until next time, see you everybody and see you Zach.
Yes. See ya.